Here's some quick entry and driveway repair notes, especially in a commercial establishment here. This is over on Ritter Avenue in Indianapolis. And you'll see here that we have a pay lake, and it is not getting better. A better shot of it is here, and what is happening is the tenants are going across. If you see those tracks there, they're starting to go across the grass median there to get on Ritter Avenue. And this is deep, and you can see obviously a bad place. Now here's the key I want to tell you. You go, oh boy, that's really bad and we need to pump it out or whatever, but what has happened is, since this is a main thoroughfare or street, the city has come by and they have fined them and told them to take immediate action. So how do you fix this? Well, you get the water out, but mostly what you're going to do is you're going to dig down, undercut if you will, and go with city standards of 12 inches of gravel and then 3 inches of binder, which is sort of a asphalt or rough asphalt, and then an inch or so of finish pavement. So again, there's a specific thing here, but you got to start doing this right, and you better be getting permits for it too, because you're in hot water with the city and you don't want to continue that. Here's another shot. Just I want to kind of show you how this has really become sort of an eyesore, and it's really tough on the tenants. They start getting scared if it freezes up or whatever to try to get out. And finally, what happens here, I kind of want to show you this picture is that not only do we have this problem here, obviously, but it started alligatoring, what we call alligatoring, which is the precursor for it to break up even more and more and not be usable as far as a parking lot. So if you have an entry or a paving problem or even concrete, contact me here in the YouTube down below in the description. Just say, hey Joe, I need some help with some concrete or pavement problems. We do driveways, parking lots, commercial and residential. So contact me and I'll do my best to help you. We do Indianapolis, Marion County, and contiguous. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.